morning, class ninth. Today we'll be looking at the same topic. The name of the topic is trigonometrical ratio of standard angles, and we'll be doing some further questions. When we start doing this chapter, you need to understand one thing, that always something or the other is going to be given to you. Okay, so does the question says? If 3 theta is an acute angle, they have said if 3 theta is an acute angle means 3 को जब मैं थीटा से ही मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा तब वो 0 और 90 के बीच में आएगा. Solve the following equation for first part. I have to solve is 2 sine 3 theta equals to root 3. Now you might understand this very well, that I have to find the value of 3 theta, right? So in this question, what I'll be doing, I'll be taking the very first part and seeing what can be done in this. So solution I'm doing over here, you can see that this is given to me, right? Now I have to figure out थीटा की वैल्यू. तो एक एक करके मैं उधर खाली करता जाऊंगा. Okay, so 2 is over here, I'll take 2 on that side. So sine 3 theta equals to root 3 over 2. Now I need to go back in the table and see कि root 3 over 2 किसकी वैल्यू है. So I will be able to figure out कि sin 3 theta is equals to, इसके जगह ये किसकी वैल्यू होती है, रूट 3 over 2. अगर आप देखोगे साइन के अकॉर्डिंग तो ये साइन 60 की होती है, 60 डिग्री. So what I'll be doing is I'll be cancelling out sin and sin on both the side. Can you see sin and sin on both the side? I can cancel them out. Okay, so what's left for me? 3 theta equals to 60 degree, right? But now they told me find the value of theta. Okay, solve the value of, okay, I have to find the value of theta. So theta equals to 60 degree over 3, 20 degree. So theta is how much? 20 degree. I got my answer. Let's solve the second one. Okay, let's solve the second one over here. We'll be solving the second one over here. So it says tan 3 theta equals to 1. Now you might be thinking what to do in this question. This is the second part. Now just think about it, that in 10 table, when you see the table and in 10 column or 10 row, where do you see 1? Which angle denotes 1? Okay, so when I go through the table and I have gone through the table, then I'll come back and see tan 3 theta equals to tan 45. बिकॉज आई नो 1 जो है वो कौन से टेबल में आता है, 10 में कब आता है, 1045 में आता है. मुझे 10 में ही ढूंढना है, इस तरफ 10 है तो इस तरफ भी 10 लेके आना है मुझे. ओके, सो देन व्हाट आई कैन डू इज आई कैन कैंसिल आउट 10 एंड 10. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट विद मी, 3 theta equals to 45. But I have to find the value of theta over here. So when I have to find the value of theta, you know what to do. You have to shift 3 on that side. Theta is equals to 45 over 3, 15. So theta is equals to 15 degree. Is that okay? I hope you guys understood this. Okay, we'll try doing one more question or maybe 2 more questions on this topic, so that it's very easy for you guys to understand what to do in this type of question. Okay, let's see the next question. The next question that we'll be looking at, question number 16, so that it can be a little help for you guys in the homework. And when you guys are doing homework, it can be like you will be able to solve the other questions also, just because we are doing these questions right now in this video. Okay, so question number 16 says something like this: 4 cos square theta minus 1 equals to 0. दिस इज वॉट इज गिवन टू मी. और वो बोल रहे हैं जो x जो डिग्री जो थीटा है या फिर जो एंगल है वो x है. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं x यूज़ हो रहा है. जो भी एंगल है वो बोल रहे हैं कि एक्यूट एंगल है वो, क्योंकि वो एंगल किसके बीच में, 0 और 90 के बीच में. जब भी एंगल 0 और 90 के बीच में होता है आपको पता है एक्यूट एंगल होता है. तो सबसे पहले उन्होंने मुझे क्या फाइंड करने बोला, फाइंड x. So what I'm going to do, I'm always going to do the very basic thing, that whatever is given to me, I'm going to use it. So this is what is given to me. So I'll write my solution down and I'll be writing 4 cos square x degree minus 1 equals to 0, right? This is what is given to me, so I'm going to use this as it is. Now one by one I'm going to shift it on that side. So I'm going to shift minus 1 on that side. So 4 cos square x degree equals to 1, minus 1 उधर गया तो plus 1 हो गया, ठीक है. And then you guys can see that 4 is going to go on that side. Cos square x degree equals to 1 upon 4, right? And then square can go on that side, right? When square goes on that side, what's going to become? It's going to become cos x degree equals to 1 upon 4 का स्क्वायर रूट. तो इसमें से क्या क्या बाहर आ सकते हैं? दोनों बाहर आ सकते हैं. तो cos x degree equals to 1 over 2. Now think about it कि cos में 1 upon 2 कब आता है, ठीक है? तो cos में अगर आप उसमें जाओ, what do we call that, the table में जाओ तो 1 upon 4 कहाँ आता है? Go through the table, you will understand. तो अगर आप देखोगे कि ये 1 upon 2 कहाँ आता है, तो cos x डिग्री ऐसे ही लिख रहा हूँ मैं, और 1 upon 2 की जगह क्या लिख रहा हूँ? cos 60 डिग्री. 60 डिग्री में आता है cos में. तो मेरे पास cos और cos कैंसिल हो गया, तो x डिग्री क्या है? 60 डिग्री. तो मुझे x की वैल्यू मिल गई. कितनी है x? 60 डिग्री. नाउ आई डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. व्हाट आई नीड टू डू इज I need to go to the second question, and now I have to find the second part. What does the second part says? Sin square x plus cos square x कितना होता है? तो what I'll do, I'll put sin square 60 plus cos square 60. Okay, so sin square 60 and cos square 60. So आपको दोनों की वैल्यू पता होनी चाहिए. दोनों की वैल्यू आपको पता लग जाएगी. If you guys go to the table and find it out, so you'll figure out कि इसका क्या होता है? √3/2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस इसका क्या होगा आपके पास? इसका होगा आपके पास 1/2 होल स्क्वायर, राइट? cos 60 डिग्री 1/2 होता है. स्क्वायर लगा दिया क्योंकि यहाँ स्क्वायर था. यहाँ पे sin 60 कितना होता है? √3/2, और ऐसे आ गया, ठीक है ब्रदर्स. सो इधर कितना है मेरे पास? 3. इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे 3 आएगा, इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे 4. 1/4. तो आप ऐड कर सकते हैं, तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? 4/4. When you cancel them out, you'll get what as an answer? 1 as an answer. So what's my answer? My answer is 1. Okay, and the third part you guys can do it on your own. I hope you'll be able to understand the third part. You just have to keep the values and you'll understand. Okay, let's move on to the last question of today's video, so that it. Okay, we'll see question number 18. What does question number 18 says? Okay, so question number 18 is over here. If sin 3x equals to 1, इतना देर का है मैं. If this is the case, sin 3x equals to 1, and जो वो 3x है वो किस किस के बीच में? 0 और 90 के बीच में. वो 90 भी हो सकता है, 0 भी हो सकता है. So the very first thing I need to figure out भाई sin. Okay, so the very first thing is sin x ढूंढना है मुझे, but I'll always work with whatever is given to me. So I'll write the solution down and I'll see what is given to me. Sin 3x equals to 1, right? तो I'll go in the table and see sin के टेबल में 1 कब आता है. तो when I went through the table, I got that कि 1 कब आता है? 90 degree. It means sin and sin can cancel out, and 90 degree x is equals to 90/3 and 30 degree. So what is x? 30 degree for me. But this is not what I have to find. I have to find the value of sin x. It means I have to find the value of sin 30 degree. x की जगह मैं 30 पुट कर रहा हूँ. So if you know the table, you will be able to figure out कि sin 30 होता कितना है. Okay, go to the table and find out कि sin 30 होता कितना है. So you'll figure out कि sin 30 कितना होता है? 1/2. That's how you write your answer. Let's see the second part. Second part में मुझे क्या बोल रहा है वो? Okay, second part says cos 2x. Now cos 2x की मुझे वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. मतलब I have to put the value of x because I know the value of x. What is value of x? है ना? So cos 2x. Now cos 2 into x is 30 degree, so cos 60 degree. Now again I have to go back to the table and then see cos 60 होता कितना है, and if I go back to the table and see cos 60 होता कितना है, I'll get an answer of 1/2. Cos 60 कितना होता है? 1/2. Okay, even the third part, what does the third part say? Third part says tan square x minus sec square x, and I have to just put the values of x. So tan square 30 minus sec square 30. सो tan की वैल्यू अगर आप 30 में ढूंढो तो कितना होता है आपके पास? 1/√3, और स्क्वायर हो रहा है तो स्क्वायर लिख दूंगा मैं, माइनस sec 30 कितना होता है आपको टेबल में जाना पड़ेगा, और sec 30 ढूंढोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा 2/√3 होता है का होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, व्हेन यू सॉल्व दिस व्हाट यू विल बी गेटिंग, आई एम डूइंग इट ओवर हियर. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग 1/3 minus 4/3. When you subtract this, you'll be getting, what will you be getting? See, minus 3/3, right? So when you get minus 3/3, your answer is -1. So what is your answer? -1. Okay, so you just have to put the value of x and you'll get your answer while looking at the table. And I've already taught you how to make the table and figure out the value. So every time you do this exercise, the very first job you guys do is make a table for yourself. Okay, there are two ways of making tables. Either you can copy it down from your book, but that won't help you in exam. Okay, the technique that I have taught you, you guys can use that technique and make the table, and that's gonna help you a lot. Okay, thank you guys for listening this video and looking at this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys in the homework, and I hope you'll be able to do the other questions that I have not done in the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone.